We have to walk. We have to walk backwards across the log.
Are you serious?
That's a big log.
Me. Michael's such a bitch. If I could body mad, I would. And this water is meant to last for 9 days. I drank it all.
Come on, tell us a bit about how you feel.
In the court of law.
Talk about your sex experiences with Sean. You know, in all the magazines.
I love
Next
New
up.
sex scandal.
1, 2, 3.
Tell me when I'm talking like this.
5 kids escape a bush. We'll be right back. Dr. Phil.
Shake it. Say hello. How you saying? Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
Come on, tell us about what you've been doing.
I walked across a tree.
Tree! What if you keep doing these last week?
I'm really fucking sick of Michael. It's supposed to be a leader and he stands there touching himself.
No!
That is all.
Hanging around here.
Yeah, we'll be caught.
We're so shit because the lights were off, we couldn't see it.
Yeah, little white ass.
Stop it.
Right in the water.
Woo!
Where are we going?